Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 10 divided by 2 times 5 minus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 2 times 5 gives us 10. So 10 divided by 10, then minus 1. Okay? 10 divided by 10 gives us 1, and 1 minus 1 is just 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one subtraction. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. And as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. So we have 5 times 5 minus 1. Now we have one multiplication and one subtraction. Multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. Okay, so first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 5 gives us 25. So we have 25 minus 1, which equals 24. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 24.